Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zendesk data using support exports, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your Zendesk data using support exports, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin center by clicking on the gear icon in the sidebar. On the left panel, select the Apps and Integrations option. Then, choose Zendesk API from the available options. Scroll down to locate the export section. Here, click on the Export button to initiate the data backup process. You'll see options to configure the type of data you want to export. Select the data categories you wish to backup, such as tickets, users, or organizations. After making your selections, click on the Submit button to confirm your choices. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your export request has been successfully submitted. You will receive an email notification once your export file is ready for download. This email will contain a link to download the exported data. Click on the link in the email to access your export file. The data will be available in a CSV format, which can easily be opened in spreadsheet applications. Make sure to download the file promptly, as it may not be available indefinitely. Once downloaded, store the file in a secure location for your records. Remember to back up your data regularly to ensure you have the most current information. Following these steps will help you effectively back up your Zendesk data using support exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.